Mathematics tutorial with Emma Johnny.
Welcome back. It's still your video math tutor, Emma Johnny. In our previous video, we looked at special angles. In this particular video, we're looking at quadrants. But please note that there is a relationship between the previous video and this one, because we are going to be solving problems here that will require that we make reference to the previous video, which was trick of special angles. So let's go there. Very straightforward. If I have a circle and I divide this into two equal parts, this is a semicircle and this is a semicircle. So when you put two semicircles together, you have a complete circle, 360 degrees. If I divide it again, I have it in 4 parts now. So each of the parts is called a quadrant. So how many quadrants are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So which means that a quadrant is 1/4 of a circle. 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4 of a circle. So a quadrant is simply 1/4 of a circle. You have to understand something, that in trigonometry, we go anti-clockwise, whereas in bearings, we go clockwise. So this is the first quadrant. This is the first quadrant. This is the second quadrant. This is the third quadrant. And this is the fourth quadrant. So we go anti-clockwise. In each of the quadrants, we have sine, cos, and tan. Sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Here we have sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Here the same thing. Here we have sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Now, this is first quadrant, which lies between 0 to 90 degrees. Here is from 180 degrees. Here is 270 degrees. Here is 360 degrees. If I'm looking for, okay, there's no much problem here because this lies between 0 and 90 degrees. But the problem starts from the second quadrant, which I'm going to help us right now. So what I'm trying to say is that if I have sine, say 200 and, no? Okay, let me do this first before I go there. Please note that in each of the quadrants, there is what sine is, cos and tan is. In each of the quadrants, sine is positive, cos is positive, and tan is positive. But in the second quadrant, is sine positive, is cos negative, or is tan negative? These are some confusing things as far as this quadrant is concerned. But there is a way to clear that doubt or that confusion, so to say. And that's just to know something, which is C A S T. If you put it together from anti-clockwise, you have C A S and then T. We call it cast.